Hello, Nathaniel Crawford here, associate broker with Amazing SoFlo Properties here in South Florida. And today I am here in Fort Lauderdale in the Victoria Park area, standing in front of what will be the first luxury container home community, not only here in South Florida, but in the country. In the very near future, here on this site, there will be 6 luxury townhomes starting in the mid 600s. If you would like more information about this amazing project, you can click the links below or send me a direct message. I'm happy to share the information with you about what's going on here. I'll be keeping you updated as we get the construction started in the very near future, but just wanted to share with you what's coming to Fort Lauderdale, to the Victoria Park area of Fort Lauderdale, the country's first luxury container home community. You heard it here first from Nathaniel Crawford at Amazing SoFlo Properties and the wonderful folks over at Ecotainer. This is going to be a beautiful project. My name is Nathaniel Crawford. Let's talk real estate. Contact me for more information about this beautiful luxury container home community here in Victoria Park in Fort Lauderdale.